Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube video. This is Moses Ishmael Kano of MI Design and Build Atelier. Today we are creating a video on how to input a site plan on Chief Architect. So this is the plan that we'll be working on. As you can see, this this site plan is produced by a surveyor, and we can see here the distance and the bearing. And for this one, the distance at this end is 85 feet, and our bearing here is 56 degree and 00 minute. So we'll be going around this, and we'll be creating a video on how to create a site plan of this same form here. We can convert that site plan because we're going to use a line. Let me start by opening a new plan. We're going to use a line, a CAD line, and after the CAD line, we'll be creating that CAD line to a perimeter of these points that we have input on Chief Architect. So what we're going to do is we're going to go clockwise by inputting this point. We'll start with this, going around, coming this way to this way, and then we we close the point to where we started. So if we want to do that, the first thing, I'm using Chief Architect X12, and this video is created on the 28th of June 2021. I'm using X12 for this video. So the first thing you will do in creating a site plan like this one, you will go to your to this end, and you start by placing a point. You click, you place a point here. This is a point. So creating this point, this is the point that we are going to start, because you should have a starting point whilst you're doing this. So we create this point, then we come here again and we go to input point. Input points is where we are going to input these points that are here, the points that have been taken by the quantity, the surveyor, and we're going to use those points to input them here. But before doing that, as we can see here, we are working with feet and inches for the distance, and the bearing we are on the degrees and minutes, also seconds. So we're going to arrange that here as well. So we go to number style. For the number style, we're going to convert this one to feet and inches, as you can see the example here. And for this one, we're going to change the angle style to this one, azimuth bearing. Click on it as well and press OK. After that, then we're going to start with our points. As I said earlier, we're going to go clockwise instead of anti-clockwise. We can start with either of those points and go in on a clockwise direction. So we start with this one, which is our distance here is 85 feet, 0 inches. So we come here. I'm going to use the on-screen keyboard so we can see what we're doing. So we type here for the distance 85 feet. We can press tab to come to the angle by doing this, or we can go there by clicking on that area, and we go to our minutes, our degrees, which is 56 degrees and 00 minutes. So we go 56. There's no need for us to place the quotations. If we just press space, Chief will already know automatically what we mean. So we say 56 and we go 00. We press next to move to the next point. As you can see here, this was red. It is now like grayed out because we have moved to another point. We are not seeing the point right now because of our windows, the way we open it, but After we'll have finished, then we'll see everything. So we move to the next point, which is um 90 feet. We come again here and set 90 feet. You can click tab to move to the angle, which is 139 degrees. So 139 degrees. We press next again. Then we move to this other point, which is 85 feet here. We go 85 feet, which is our distance. We press tab, and degrees 236 degrees. 236 degrees. We press next. Now we are inputting our last point here, which is 90 feet. We go again 90 feet, tab, and we to our degrees, which is 390 degrees. 319 degrees. We press next again, and because this is the final point, we'll press OK now to see our point. So what we'll do, we zoom out to find our point. So as you can see, this is our point. These are our points. Sorry, these are our points. So we're going to connect our points by using the scat line. We click on the line, we click here for one point to this point, to this point, to this point, to this point. So as you can see, um, this is exactly what is here. You see, this is the exact shape. So we can cross check by checking our distance. So now if we take our measure tape from here to here, we'll see that this is 85 feet. As you can see, 85 feet. Let me just use this so I can enlarge it. 85 feet. Let me change it to 12. Okay, let me just zoom. So as you can see, this is 85 feet, and if we check here, our distance is 85 feet. So that means what we did is correct. So now this is our survey plan. We can easily now draw whatever we want to draw. If we want to start doing our building design, we know exactly the space that we're going to play within, instead of just drawing without inputting this. That's why it's very important to ask for survey plan while you're designing, because it can guide you, will know which angle you're working on, because most of the time not all the lands are square or rectangle. Some lands you will have some angles that it will be difficult for you to just try to draw without knowing those angles. So you can only know those angles by working on the survey plan. So now we can delete this point. These are just temporal points that we can delete. We come here again and go to no, we come here and go to delete points. You see, all of them are gone. So now this is just a card line, but we can convert that line to a terrain perimeters. Now you can come here and click convert polyline. Click on convert polyline, and we change this to terrain perimeters. Click, and let's just forget about all this and press OK, and we are going to take a view of it to see how it might look like. So you see, this is our land. We've converted that one to uh, terrain perimeter. So what we'll do next is we're going to create a road, because there's a road passing here, which is a 30 feet access road. So we come to our terrain. Here we go road, and we try to create this road. Click on the road, go to um, we make this parallel to here. This is already 30 feet, the default. Change this to 0 so it can meet here. Then remove this. So now this is the road passing here. You see the road passing here. But if we go to our view, will not be seeing the road because the terrain is not passing through the road, so we'll not be seeing this road on our view. So what I normally do is I'll try to create a fence going around this this terrain, so I will so I can save that area. So I'll go to street fence and click here, draw a fence here, make this perpendicular to this one, and move this here, come again, take this one and move here, make it perpendicular to these, take this, move here, make it perpendicular to these, and take this again, make it perpendicular to these. So you see now we have fenced our entire land. We take a view of it and see. Good. Now the land has been fenced. So what I normally do is this. Now I can move this this terrain perimeter now. I can move it now to whatever distance I want it to be. So this is my land. It is secured by the fence that I've just placed. So now if you can see, so good. So you see we have a road passing here, we have our land and the terrain going around the fence. So this is it. This is how to create uh, a survey plan on Chip Architect by using lines. So this is the video. You can ask any question you want to know on the comment section, then I'll reply to you. And if there is a need for me to make another video of a different layout, then I will have to do that so you can understand, you guys can understand better. So this is MI Design Studio. Once again, you can please um, like and subscribe so you can see more of these videos, and you can see more of my work on Facebook at MI Design Studio. You can follow me there, and on Instagram you can see my works again on MI Design plus Bill Atelier. So please guys follow me. You will see incredible designs that I've worked on, and you can share your comments and we can learn from each other. Thank you.